So as you can see that I just uploaded the Accenture document mail out update, and in this video I already told you please wait for the video, and this is the video in which I am going to give you the exact document list to follow these rules. And one more thing, after submitting document, what is the step by step component of the Accenture BVG process? You have to understand each and everything, and tips for smooth BVG at Accenture. But before that, if you see that I one more text is there at the top of these. What is this? This is the main thing, like LOA to DOG steps. There are multiple steps. First you have to sign the LOA. After that you have to submit the list of the documents. Then there will be the many thing you have to keep in mind. There is not only the one step that you have to just submit the document. No, there is LOA. You have to submit the LOA also, and many thing is there. So first of all, I will tell you about LOA to DOG. From LOA to DOG, like what is LOA? LOA is a letter of authorization, and DOG means a date of joining. So this is letter of authorization, ठीक है? Keep it in mind. And one more thing, receive this. The first step is, this is the first step, receive and sign LOA after passing technical round and HR round. So Accenture sending an LOA sends an LOA which authorize them to conduct background check like employment, education, criminal records. Means this is the LOA. If you sign the LOA, after that they will send you the document link, and you have to submit that documents. So first thing, they will give you the LOA in the Workday website. Keep in mind, Workday website, and this is the, suppose this is the portal. Here is written your personal details you have to give. Then education will be there, and address is also will be there, and then there is LOA. After LOA, there is one review which is very mandatory, because after filling all detail and exact match with the documents, then you have to review your application very carefully. So this is the LOA. Here you can see LOA. Keep in mind, after review there will be the submit button. You have to submit it as soon as possible. After submitting this, there will be the one more link they will send you on your email, that this is the document list, and you have to submit the document here only. ठीक है, तो पहला LOA स्टेप समझ गए हो. After submitting LOA and documents, sign the LOA e-signature or scan it and upload it along with the other requested document, which is I am going to tell you about document, which is the exact list. So don't worry, watch video till end. That ID education experience letter to the Accenture portal, often with the candidature profile or document section. Everything like LOA signature document we have to do in the Workday website. Keep in mind. Now background verification is another step after this. So finally, so first of all we कंफर्म, पहले हम ये पहला स्टेप के डॉक्यूमेंट समझ लेते हैं. LOA if you understand, then the second thing is you have to understand the document list. So this is the document list. After that we will proceed other steps. These are the other steps after submitting the documents. So list follow rules, ठीक है. Now main thing, that mandatory document, PAN card is very mandatory for income tax and identity purpose, and Aadhaar card primary proof of identity, and Aadhaar address. So photographs, recent passport size photograph, usually 2-4. So that's why I told you, while you submitting your LOA, there is the address, education, and name, personal details. So exact give that name which is written in the Aadhaar card or PAN card, because they will identify your address or your personal details. Proof of date of birth, birth certificate or 10th grade mark sheet, passport required if available, mandatory in some cases. Okay. Now the second section will be education document, all in original or photocopies, like a 10th 12th mark sheet and passing certificates, and graduation, post graduation, all semester mark sheet is compulsory, consolidated or individual. But if you give individual, this will maybe work more better way. So provisional degree is also compulsory, final degree certificate तो है ही compulsory. Now this is all for all students, ठीक है, like fresher, experience, for all you can. So these documents are common for all. Keep in mind, these documents are common for all fresher, experience, ठीक है, जितने भी experience और fresher हैं सारे जितने सबके लिए common है ये. Now this is the another document, employment document. This is only for experienced candidate for each previous employer. See, many candidate did the part time and freelancing. This is not a thing, ठीक है, इसको तो मैं सबमिट नहीं करना है ना, इसका कोई कार्ड करना है ना कोई प्रूफ करना है ना. ऑफर अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर विल बी देयर, ठीक है, जो कि तुम्हें जॉब में लेना है, showing job title and joining date must be there because you have to show the exact joining year, month and days also must be written there, ठीक है। और ये किसका होना चाहिए, ज्वाइनिंग प्लस क्विटिंग का, मतलब जॉब छोड़ने की डेट और जॉब लेने वाली डेट दोनों होना चाहिए, ईयर, मंथ और डे। सेम डेट थिंग, same date format you have to put in relieving letter, experience certification for all previous employers, resignation acceptance letter particularly if the experience letter is not available, ठीक है। salary slip must be last 3 year pay slip, a bank statement showing salary credit for the period of employment, ठीक है। फॉर्म 16 इनकम टैक्स डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर द लास्ट 1-2 ईयर। नाउ पीएफ अकाउंट डिटेल, यूनिवर्सल अकाउंट नंबर मस्ट बी देयर, ठीक है। नाउ दिस इज द एडिशनल अल्टरनेटिव डॉक्यूमेंट लाइक गैप एक्सप्लेनेशन, यू कैन गिव दिस डॉक्यूमेंट, मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट, दिस इज ऑप्शनल, डोंट टेक सीरियसली, ठीक है। एंड एड्रेस प्रूफ, यूटिलिटी बिल्स और रेंटल एग्रीमेंट मस्ट बी देयर फॉर एड्रेस प्रूफ, ठीक है। नाउ इंपॉर्टेंट नोट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड, नेम एक्यूरेसी, द नेम ऑन ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट मस्ट मैच द गवर्नमेंट आईडी प्रूफ, ठीक है। आईडी कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, आधार कार्ड। तो स्कैन क्वालिटी मस्ट बी गुड, वो तो मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा ही एग्जैक्ट वे हाउ टू मेक द पीडीएफ इन दिस वीडियो, आई विल शो यू द एग्जैक्ट प्रैक्टिकल वे, सो वॉच वीडियो टिल एंड। Now document must be scanned clearly and uploaded in PDF or JPG, but use PDF format. Now process missing, inconsistency or unverified document are the most common reason for delay or BVG hold. That's it. Now timeline, the BVG process generally run around the time of the offer letter generation and can take 12 up to 20 days. So these are the document already. If you understand, then please take a note. And now we move forward. So here are many steps after document verification, but before that I want to tell you how they verify your documents, ठीक है। So this is the step by step component of the essential BVG process. So again, now understand each and everything. Document submission and initiation. Now action, upon accepting the LOA, means sign the LOA, you will receive instruction to upload document on a portal like HirePro or third party site. The document required already told you. After that verification component, the agency will verify the submitted document through various channels like employment verification will be there, and education like through check on all previous employer to confirm designation, etc, tenure and reason for leaving, ठीक है। direct verification with university and college for the education qualification background, ठीक है। verification, address verification, a representative may physically visit your current permanent address or through document like rental agreement और utility bills। तो ये ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन ही होगा, ये नहीं होगा कि कोई विजिट करे, ठीक है। सो आफ्टर क्रिमिनल चेकिंग लाइक वेरीफाई थ्रू पुलिस रिकॉर्ड और कोर्ट डेटाबेस, ये ऑप्शनल है बट ये चीज़ें होती हैं। रेफरेंस चेक, कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग personals or professionals or personal reference provided in your application. Now third thing is processing and background check. Now database check, checking global regulatory and compliance list like these type of thing। ये बहुत कॉमन चीज़ें हैं जो कि वो खुद देखते हैं, हमें नहीं ध्यान देना है, बस ये प्रोसेस होंगी आफ्टर सबमिटिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट। टाइमलाइन, द प्रोसेस कैन टेक एनीवेयर फॉर 2 weeks or 2 over a month डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ क्विकली प्रीवियस एम्प्लॉयर एंड यूनिवर्सिटीज रिस्पॉन्ड, ठीक है। तो ये यूनिवर्सिटी तुम्हारे को वेरीफाई करेगी, एजुकेशन और एम्प्लॉयमेंट तुम्हारा प्रीवियस कंपनी करेगी। नाउ फोर्थ, फाइनलाइजिंग एंड रिपोर्टिंग। रिपोर्ट जनरेशन, अ डिटेल्ड रिपोर्टिंग जनरेटेड is generated for essential, making the finding as green, clear, amber, minor discrepancies और red major issues। अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा, बहुत ध्यान से सुनना। जैसे यहाँ पे रिपोर्ट जनरेट होगी, they will see that if there is a major issue, then they will again send you the mail that in PAN card there is a name mismatch, please correct this and do update your PAN card। They will again give you the chance to update, बट आफ्टर इफ़ यू रिसीविंग दिस देन BVG थोड़ा सा लेट होगा, मतलब वैसे भी डिले होगा 10-15 दिन का, बट तुमको और डिले हो जाएगा। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो। लाइक ये वाली वीडियो देखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इफ़ यू आर नॉट taking seriously, because if you see document mistake errors is there and already told you to how to update and what are the queries in this video, we already understand exact thing। like यहाँ पे देखोगे तो सारी चीज़ें दिख रही होंगी, हमने प्रैक्टिकली समझा था, तो जाके एक बार देख लेना। तो मेन चीज़ समझने की है, अगर ग्रीन है सब कुछ तो यहाँ पे फाइनल अप्रूवल विल बी देयर एंड वंस द BVG सक्सेसफुल completed you will receive a get ready for a day 1 email with onboarding instructions, status check, you can monitor the status on the hiring portal and it is usually considered complete when your application status shows offer accepted and you receive welcome emails, ठीक है। Now tips for smooth background verification: be honest, all information must be match your documents, explain gaps clearly, document inform references, do not sign early. It is highly recommend to wait for the final background approval before resigning from your current job. ठीक है, address discrepancies early. If previous company is closed or you lack document, inform the HR representative immediately to find the alternatives. That's it. So these are the thing and these type of scenario will go, और इस तरीके से यहाँ पे वेरिफिकेशन होगा आफ्टर सबमिटिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट. सो सपोज यू got the red major issues, already told you they will give you the another chance to update the resume. But if there is a green signal and you successfully pass the document verification, then there will be the this step like Accenture. ये तो हमने बता दिया कितना टाइम लगेगा. Pre onboarding training will be there after successfully completed the background verification. Candidate are often give access to learning modules, new joiner experience or complete before their DOG. थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं. Then receive offer letter DOG upon successful BGV. A formal offer letter with a specific date of joining is released. That there is virtual onboarding, physical reporting on the DOJ. A meeting is scheduled for attendance and final verification. और virtual 2 links are usually sent to upload documents. ठीक है, नॉर्मल है, बहुत कुछ दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. यहाँ पे कोई वेरिफिकेशन नहीं है, बस अपलोड करना होगा. System credentials after successfully onboarding, credential for email systems are sent. बस इसके बाद जो भी DOJ में डेट डली है जाके अपने को वन डे फर्स्ट डे स्टार्ट करना है. सो दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट थिंग विच इज गोइंग ऑन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल्सो और इन द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द असेंचर. ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू हर चीज़ की भाई तुम्हारे सामने क्या है, तुम्हें क्या करना है और वो क्या करेंगे इन द बैकग्राउंड. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू साइन द तो कंक्लूजन बता देता हूँ एक बार वीडियो को. दैट इज यू हैव टू फर्स्ट साइन द LOA. ठीक है, आफ्टर सबमिटिंग द LOA you have to submit the documents. And what are the document? These are the document. After submitting the document, this is the scenario. Backend will run in the Accenture. ये सब चीज़ इस तरीके से verify करेंगे. After report generating, if there is a major issue, they will send you the mail to update your documents. Or if there is successfully completed, then you will receive the DOJ and offer letter. First you will receive the pre-onboarding training. After that you will receive the offer letter, DOJ, and then virtual onboarding or physical reporting will be there. Then system credentials और email वगैरह system वगैरह मिलेगा, तो like welcome kit वगैरह. तो इस तरीके से पूरी प्रोसेस कंप्लीट होगी. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू क्रिएट द PDFs. सो यू सिंपली कम टू द गूगल एंड type Canva PDF. After that you have to click on PDF maker. Don't click on free online PDF editor. ठीक है, click on PDF maker. Click on this. You will redirect to this Canva page and click on a make a PDF. So this is the blank PDF. Don't attach two pages. Only one page will be there. ठीक है, and suppose this is my PAN card. So I have to use that PAN card in one page. ठीक है, एक पेज पे एक ही document is compulsory. In one page only one document must be there. Okay, after this you have to come here and see यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है ऊपर, you untitled design. You have to click on this and type their PAN card. You have to rename this and then you have to click on share button. After clicking on share you have to click on download. Then you have to must select the PDF like PDF standard. You can easily use JPG also because JPG or PDF is compulsory, but this is suggested to click on PDF and then click on download button. So as it is तुमको फिर दोबारा इसी में आना है, फिर इस पेज इसको हटा देना है पैन कार्ड को. Suppose this is my Aadhaar card. You have to give the Aadhaar card in the full one page. Then again you have to give the rename this with Aadhaar card. And after Aadhaar card you have to click on again download button, select the PDF, then download it. इस तरीके से एक पेज पे एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि यहाँ पर तुमने मल्टीपल पेजेस लगा ली और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पेजेस हो गए. नहीं, और ये भी नहीं करना है कि तुमको दो डॉक्यूमेंट एक पेज पे नहीं रखना है. जस्ट वन डॉक्यूमेंट इन वन सिंगल पेज. सपोज देयर इज एम्प्लॉयर एंड ऑफर लेटर इज देयर, सो यू हैव टू यूज ऑफर लेटर इन वन पेज, relieving letter in another one page, just like already show you. ठीक है, एक PDF में एक ही document is must. So this is the way you can easily create your PDF. So if you having any query, just comment down and thanks for watching.